your world, your life. Think how different your life would be if you lost your vision. Every year, approximately 1,000 people need corneal transplant surgery in the state of Louisiana. That's 1,000 birthdays unseen, 1,000 sunrises gone, 1,000 moments lost. But those moments don't have to be gone forever. For 35 years, the Baton Rouge Regional Eye Bank, along with generous donor families, have given thousands of people in Baton Rouge and Louisiana a second chance at sight. The year was 1976. The United States was celebrating its 200th birthday. Jimmy Carter was elected president, and a gallon of gas cost 60 cents. If you lived in Baton Rouge and needed a corneal transplant, well, you had to go somewhere else. But that all changed, thanks to the pioneering spirit of Sister Lillian Lynch. She saw the need and made it possible for Baton Rouge to open its first eye bank. On March 9th, Dr. Charles Affman performed the first corneal transplant in Baton Rouge.
Over 80% of all our knowledge of this universe comes through our eyes.
Since then, the Baton Rouge Regional Eye Bank has shared the vision. It's a 24/7 operation, staffed with dedicated individuals who've undergone specialized training.
We help people to see.
It's a promise the staff at the eye bank has turned into a mission that extends beyond the Baton Rouge community. The eye bank conducted several medical mission trips to Africa, Honduras, and Guatemala, taking their outreach abroad. These journeys of hope brought the gift of sight to those people most especially in need. But even back home, the eye bank maintains a waiting list with an average of 90 patients waiting approximately 6 to 8 months for donor tissue to become available for their procedure.
If it weren't for donors, the eye bank would not be able to function, and I mean both types of donors. We continue to be able to operate because of the hard work of the Baton Rouge Eye Bank Auxiliary.
The Auxiliary, established in 1977, took on the task of helping raise funds for the nonprofit eye bank and of educating the public about the importance of corneal donation. Hosting both educational seminars and community eye screenings, the Auxiliary spreads awareness about vision health, as well as compassionate donation. They help raise much-needed funds with events like the Silver Coffee, art auctions, and the much-anticipated Day at the Races.
The work they do makes the work we do possible, and we can't thank them enough for that.
The eye bank depends on more than one kind of donor.
It's an amazing gift that one can give to another individual, the gift of sight.
We as a community have an opportunity to touch their lives, and the way that we do it is to be generous, particularly during those moments of loss, in terms of giving tissue and allowing those corneas to live through others.
They help people like Brock LeBlanc. When he was just 10 years old, Brock suffered an eye injury that threatened his vision. A transplant meant another chance for Brock, a chance he would have never had if it weren't for the compassionate donation from another family.
Think about giving tissue and giving the gift of sight to others who are out there waiting and hoping for a renewed chance at a normal life.
Brock is now 19 years old and on his way to fulfilling his dream. He's attending Panola Junior College with the help of a baseball scholarship. The decision to donate corneas isn't always easy. Many families are worried that it will change the appearance of their loved one or that their religion will not approve. The truth is, there is no change in the appearance, and it's accepted by all major religions. But the hardest part of deciding to donate comes at the time of death of a loved one. Faye Melanson was going blind.
When you get up in the morning and you go out your door and you realize it's going to be a foggy day, that's the kind of day I had every day.
But Faye was blessed with a corneal transplant, a difficult decision for the donor family whose 13-year-old son Hunter had just passed away. After her surgery, Faye wrote the family a letter.
Your gift is beyond anything I could imagine. To get past your grief, to give the gift of sight to a total stranger is a supreme act of love.
Faye went on to meet Hunter's family, to learn more about the child and the family who made such a brave and generous decision. It's a decision the Bardwell family was happy they made.
Feels good now that he helped someone, that he was able to live on, to do something good, because that's how he was.
Each year, the iBank and the Louisiana Organ Procurement Agency honor those who've given their precious gift with their Thanksgiving service. It's an opportunity for donor families to honor the memory of their loved ones and for grateful recipients to say thank you for their most selfless gift. So, for those moments yet to be seen, for the life lived to its fullest, the Baton Rouge Regional iBank will continue to be there to share the vision.